Hey friends, it's Tina from the Silver Crescent. It's been a while since I posted a video just because, life happens and we've been living our life and having some cool adventures and some not cool adventures, the usual. But I am posting this morning speaking to all of my fellow empaths. And I don't mean empath as that throwaway word that everybody's like, I'm talking about those of us who really feel stuff, like just vibes, energy, whatever you want to call it, in our souls, right? And this general sense of malaise or dis-ease or uneasiness or whatever you want to call it that's been floating in the ether now for a while. My son is struggling. I am struggling, and he can't even articulate it. I can barely articulate it, that everything just feels off. So all I'm saying is I'm posting because I just wanted to encourage you. Be like, listen, I get it. I feel you, literally feel you. But I'm encouraged. Man, I walked out this morning. The birds are singing. The buds, my tulip's already budding. I'm like, what is happening? The sun is bright this morning. The air is cool. And it's reminding me that no matter what happens, there's always rebirth. There's always regeneration. So sometimes you have to just simply, not sometimes, all the time, you must live through the dis-ease and the uneasiness and the unknowing and the just offness in order to get to the rebirth and the resurrection. I'm encouraged by my flowers. I'm encouraged by the sun. I'm encouraged by the birds singing, and I hope you will be as well. Listen, if there's anything I can do, message me, email me. My website is up and running, silvercrescentsoulfulness.com, I should say. You can email me, Facebook me, whatever you need to do, but I will be praying for all of you, okay? Blessings.